Hi there! Do you want to know the best and easiest ways to make money online in 2025? If yes, then you've clicked on the right video. Stick with me till the end because I'm going to share some amazing methods that can help you earn money from the comfort of your home. And trust me, you don't need any special skills to get started. Alright, let's dive straight in. The first way to make money online in 2025 is freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are booming with opportunities. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, or even basic data entry, there's something for everyone. The best part? You set your own rates and work on your own schedule. Next up, content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are not just for fun anymore. If you have a unique skill, talent, or even an interesting story to share, you can build an audience and earn through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Consistency is key here, so start small and stay regular. If that's not your thing, how about starting an online store? With platforms like Shopify and Etsy, you can sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products. Digital products, like templates or books, are especially great because you only need to create them once and sell them repeatedly. Another great option is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Websites like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareSale have great affiliate programs you can join. And let's not forget online tutoring. If you're good at math, languages, or any other subject, platforms like VipKid and Preply let you teach students from all over the world. It's flexible, and the pay can be pretty good too. Lastly, there's investing in cryptocurrency or stocks. Now, this one requires some research and caution, but with the right strategy, it can be very rewarding. Always start small and never invest money you can't afford to lose. So there you have it. 6 exciting ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you want to work full-time or just make some extra cash on the side, there's something here for everyone. Before you go, let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on earning money online. See you in the next video.